Okay, good evening and welcome to everybody present here. I'm actually really honored to be part of this award and thank you so much, Uma ma'am. And to talk about myself, I'm born in the Land of Arts in the Center of Arts, Chennai, and I'm currently studying in 7th grade and I'm 13 years old. So I started my dancing journey when I was 3.5 and I'm currently dancing for the past 10 years. I had a really big interest in classical dance, especially Bharatanatyam, since my mom also really loved dancing and I also had an interest. So of course, I wanted to join, and because of my parents' help and my own interest, I've gotten this far. This is not even half of it. I still expect to grow more higher and higher. So I've won 9 world records till now, and I have 5 titles in my name. And this Saturday in 7th world record event, the Mega Dance World Record event, I got an ambassador in culture and arts. Natya Kalaimagal, Ilam Bharati Pechalar, author in Guinness book. Ilam Bharati Pechalar, ambassador, doctorate in Bharatanatyam. And see, basically the doctorate was given by an European university and they recognized many young talents and all. So first they asked for my profile. I sent in my profile. Till now I've danced in more than 200 plus stages till now. So they checked my profile. They saw all my achievements and they were like, all right, so let's give her a doctorate since these many achievements. So when I was 12 years old, last October, I got a doctorate in Bharatanatyam classical dance, and I'm really honored for that. So I'm still 13. I'm not really old enough for maybe like business plans or anything like many of my sisters here. So when I grew up, I want to become an IAS. It's like a post in India where you get to you get to be the head of a particular district or maybe a state, and you could help out the particular state or a district. So as a dancer, and I love helping people usually. So even if I see a stranger, I love smiling at them. Even if it's a smile, it can make a big difference in a person's day. So I love helping people. Thank you so much. So I want to become an IAS, help all the needy children, not exactly needy, but people who are interested in arts, who are interested in dancing, singing, whatever it may be. So since I'm also a dancer, I understand every dancer's passion, the amount of happiness they get when they dance. Dance is not just like a few steps using your legs or hands or your body. It's like an emotion. It's a feeling when you dance with the rhythm of the music. It takes you to a whole new world, a feeling you can't put into words. So it's an amazing feeling. Thank you so much. Yes. So this takes years to perfect. Even if you can't stop in middle, like imagine you're studying something, imagine you're a doctor or you're a scientist. You can't stop studying. There's no end to learning, and there's the same thing for dance. There's no end to anything in this world, so you can continue dancing. However old you may be, age is just a number. So you can continue dancing, continue learning, continue singing. There's no end for anything. So that's all I wanted to say, and thank you so much for this opportunity once again. Thank you.